Hello. No! No!
Please. No.
Stop. Stop, Redmond. Quit. Ow!
It's pistachio ice cream.
Raggy, stop.
Kyle. Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
Jeb, what is that noise you are making right now, sir?
Ripley. Climb on the freaking counters! Augustus, calm down. What do you want me to tell your dad? I don't think he likes you. Ah! Cheddar!
Halo? Are you ugly on purpose? Oh no. Why are you pretending to eat the shower curtain?
You're adopted.
I've never seen anything like it. I've never seen anything like this in my life.
Henry, no, sir.
Is this okay? Hello?